Hello, my name is Mary Catherine, and I'll be going over the contact lenses, contact lens solutions, and eye drop categories in the inventory module. On the Revolution toolbar, you will select Inventory and go to Products. When you access the inventory, the first thing you'll want to do is select the location if you are a multi-location office. Then we're going to go ahead and choose our categories. Let's go ahead to contact lenses. When the dashboard is accessed, all active products are displayed for the location, listed with a simple search. The products are sorted by date that they were last updated, newest to oldest. For the simple search, you can do this by filtering by status, if they're active or inactive. You can search by product, or if you're using a barcode scanner or SKUs, you can also type in the barcode, use your scanner, or type in the SKU, and they will also populate. For a more advanced search, go ahead and select Advanced Search, and here you can go ahead and search by manufacturer, brand, collection, model, or even their retail price. To go back to your simple search, just click Simple Search. For additional options, hover over the plus icon, and here you can add a product, import products, copy products, and manage categories. Let's go ahead and manually add a product. When manually adding a product, you will have to select the category the product should be added to, the type of lens it is, your manufacturer, your brand, the name of the contact lens, your V code or HCPCS. If you know your code, you can type it in, or you can also search for it. Adding a SmartFlow ID is a great idea even if you aren't using the ordering software. It enables the contact lens perimeter validation and also allows SmartFlow to pull in available base curves and diameters. And to do that, if you didn't know the ID, you could just search for the type of lens and add an invoice description. Next, you'll want to go ahead and add your prices, your wholesale price, if you're doing actual cost, wholesale price, additional amount, and retail prices. After you have your product information added, you'll then want to go ahead and add your pricing information and completing the available fields. And go ahead and click Add Product. Once it's been added, you can see that it now says Active, and you have more tabs available, your options to add a color, and your contact lens details. Also in your inventory, this is where you can go ahead and add the lens information to your physical inventory in your office. Next, let's go ahead and import a product. Going to go ahead and close that lens. As you can see, that lens that we just added is up top since it's the last thing that we did, and you can see that it's attached to a SmartFlow ID and it is active. Next, we're going to go ahead and do Import Products. Go ahead and select your category. We're going to enter our search criteria and click Search. Let's go ahead and do Manufacturer. As you can see, all the Johnson & Johnson or Vistakon products will show up that are not in my library. The matching results will be displayed in the grid below. Select the products you'd like to import to your location and click Import. When doing the search, always make sure to display products not in this location so you do not have duplicates. Let's go ahead and just import one and select import. As you can see the message above, it says one product has been successfully imported. Go ahead back to your products. It'll be the first one on your list. Go ahead and open it. As you can see, the manufacturer, brand, collection, and model are grayed out. These cannot be edited since they were imported. Go ahead and enter your pricing information. When opening the product information, you can see areas are grayed out. Since this product was imported, these cannot be edited. Once it's imported, you're going to go ahead and go to your pricing information and go ahead and enter your wholesale price and your retail price. You can see you have the same tabs as the manually added lens options. These are automatically imported, the colors and the base curve and powers, and your inventory. Once you've made your changes, you're going to want to go ahead and click Save. You can go ahead and exit out of here. You can see beside the Active button, there is a red X button. This is the deactivate icon. By selecting this deactivates the product immediately. As you can see, once I click the deactivated button, it disappears from my list. Let's go ahead and change this to inactive products. And you can see that that product that I just deactivated is right here. To reactivate it, go ahead and press the green check mark. And you can see it removed from my list. If we go back to active products, it'll populate right back up. The gear icon in the top right corner is to export. By clicking the gear icon in the top right-hand corner, this is to export your products. All products that appear in the current search are included in the exported report. A file is downloaded to your computer. All systems are different. As you can see, mine populated and all of my lenses that were in my search have been populated and pulled into a report. The Actions drop-down menu provides the ability to update pricing and properties in bulk if you have the inventory management enabled. Update properties, all results, and update pricing, all results. Select one of the options from the drop-down menu. If there are no products selected, then all products in the results list will be changed. If you only wanted to update some of the products, you would select the products that you would want updated. You would select the products you would want updated and go ahead and select Update Properties or Update Pricing. Next, let's go ahead to our contact lens solutions. When accessing the contact lens solutions, you can see it's the exact same setup, the same simple search with the advanced search options. You have your actions, your status, how to search status, all or inactive, and also your export button. Let's go ahead and manually add a contact lens solution. I'm going to go ahead to the plus button, select Add Product. Go ahead and select our category, our manufacturer, the brand. Go ahead and type in your model, our invoice description, and you can go ahead and enter your pricing information. Once that is completed, go ahead and select Add Product. Once the product has been added, you can see the Inventory tab shows. Here's where you can add your contact lens solutions to your physical inventory. It's already been saved, so let's go ahead and exit out of here. And you can see now that our newest contact lens solution is at the top of our search. It's going to be the same process with our eye drops. Everything is the same layout, the search, all of your search criteria and statuses. You would go ahead and hover over the plus button and select Add Product. Go ahead and select your category, your manufacturer. Go ahead and type in your model. Go ahead and enter your pricing information and select Add Product. In the top right-hand corner, you can see that, again, you get the green alert saying product has been created. Beside the name, it turns to active, and your inventory tab shows up. Go ahead and click the X, and you can see that it's at the top of your list. You also have the same options to do the bulk updating in prices and properties.